WB7P, your boy Mad Mike in the AM. Let's give it up for that jab stab. You ready? Let's get it. Go! Hello, this is John Singleton calling. This is Don King calling. This is Assistant Principal Jesse Jackson calling.
This is the last time.
I can get kicked out now. Not now. Of course I care. What do you want from me?
It's Mike from WP7P FM. This is a jab stab. Mad Mike in the AM, baby.
Michael, another.
Hey.
Welcome to the station.
It's such a pleasure meeting you, sir.
You're part of the family now.
I'm in love right now. Am I sick?
Many people think love is a sickness because of all the crazy things it makes them do.
What the heck, babe? Talking to this girl about her personal life. Who is she?
Baby, I talk about people's personal problems every day on the radio. What's the problem?
Now what do you think you're doing to Samantha, man?
Heck, Mike, now you're mentoring her relationship?
You don't tell me about him. I'm the one that was married to him. I know him better than anybody in the world. You understand me, baby? I ain't playing with you.
Some guy got killed talking to you on your show?
I didn't hear anything about that. When my show gets suspended, what am I going to do for a job? It's Mike. Remember me from the radio station?
After you abused her the way you did, you're looking for her?
All of this is crazy. You know it. And now you hurt the entire family. And I just talked to your mother, and she's crying in disbelief.
Hello, is this a radio station? I want to give my brother the jazz.